Sairam class 5 students, welcome to today's maths class. We will start today's maths class by chanting Omkar 3 times. Let us chant. Om. 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 Yes, children. We are going to solve a worksheet today. Okay. Is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Find the LCM of three numbers.
Okay. So till last day in the exercises or as well as in the book, we solved such a sums where LCM of two numbers. But remember, LCM of three numbers, LCM of four numbers also we can calculate find out by listing the multiples. So I have given you a question for that. It is find the LCM of three numbers. In the first question, the three numbers are 8, 6, and 4. What we are going to find out? We are going to find out LCM. Don't get confused. LCM. L, C, and M. M for multiples. So we have to find the multiples. Okay. This is the way to remember. If the question is LCM, M is the last one. M means multiple. That means you have to find the multiples. So what is the first number? First number is 8. So we will list out the multiples of 8. But remember, here it is LCM. We need only one common multiple. So there is no need for us to make a very long list. Keep on watching whether we are getting multiples or not common. Then there is no need of writing so many multiples. So let us start. Multiples of 8 are, we know it already. Multiples we get from multiplication table. 8 1 is 8, 16, 2s are 16, 3s are 24, 4s are 32, 5s are 40, and 8 6 are 48. Then I put dash. Okay. After writing 5 or 6 multiples of every number, you just check whether we are getting a common multiple or not. If you are getting, it's okay. We need only LCM. Okay. Now, multiples of 6 are. We will find the multiples of 6 as we have already learned in the same method. 6 1 is 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36, and so on. And if you do not get a common multiple, then you can extend this line. Okay, put comma and extend this line. Then next is the last number is 4. So multiples of 4 are 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 28, 32, and so on. Okay, now we can check whether we are getting one common multiple in all these three lines. In the earlier questions, in the previous days, we were finding LCM of two numbers. So we were checking common multiples for two lines. Since here three numbers are there, we have to check common multiples in all these three lines. Children, suppose we are finding LCM of four numbers. What will you do? We will write the multiples of that fourth number also. Then we will check for common multiple in all the four. Only that is the difference. Okay. Here three numbers are there. We will check for common multiples. You can see that 8 is here, 8 is here, but 8 is not here. So we cannot take 8. Then let us go further. 12 is here, 12 is here, but 12 is not here. So we can't take 12 also. 16 you see, 16 is in the first line and the last line, but not in the middle line. So we can't take that. Now you see 24 I have highlighted already. 24 is the first number which is seen in all the three lines. That means 24 is the first common multiple of 8, 6, and 4. Okay, here as a hint I have written, yes, LCM is the first common multiple. You will find there are so many common multiples, but LCM is the first one, lowest one. So LCM of 8, 6, and 4 is 24. Okay, children, if you extend these lines, you will get again common multiples, but they are that common multiples are not LCM any of, but LCM is the first one. So we need only first one, so we do not extend it further. Okay, especially in exam, it will be a wastage of time if you write so many multiples unnecessarily. Okay, am I audible to you? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, this type of 2-3 questions I have prepared for you. Yes, this is 5, 15, and 60. Okay, this one is 3, 9, and 4. Okay, then the last one is 2, 6, and 5. 2, 6, and 5. And 5. Okay, got it? Now, in the next page, there are some questions. In the similar way, find HCF of 3 numbers. How do you find HCF of 3 numbers? What is HCF? Highest common F4 factor. So remember, in such questions, you have to find the factors. Okay, and here the first question is 24, 30, and 18. Okay, and I wrote in short way. You can also write this way. If you want, you can write equal to 24, equal to 24. This way we did earlier. You can do, no problem. Then here I have listed out the factors of 24. You have already learned it. Okay, only difference is instead of 2 numbers, we are taking 3 numbers. That's all. Okay. Then here you can see, first let us take 24. What are the factors? I told you we will start from 1 in the order. Okay, then 1, 24 is 24, 2, 12 is 24, 3, 8 is 24, 4, 6 is 24. Then in 5's table, 24 is not coming. In 6's table, it is same. In 7's table, no. 8's table, it is same. 9, no. 10, no. Okay. So these are the factors of 24. So I have mentioned it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. I told you in this order, if you write, you will get in increasing order. Okay, ascending order. Then factors of 30. 1 into 30. You know it now. 2 into 15. Okay, and I forgot to write 3 into. Okay, here I will write. Okay, 3 into 10 is also 30. Okay, 3 into 10 is also 30. Okay, then 4, no. 5, no. 6 into 5, it is there. 5, 6 are okay. 6, 5s are okay. 7, 8, 9, it is not there. Okay, so what are the factors of 30? All these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Okay,
30.
then yes, I will make the correction now. 18, 1 into 18 is 18, 2 into 9 is 18, 3 into 6 is 18, 4, no. 5, no. 6, the same. 7, 8, 9, the same. So these are the factors of 18. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Now let us come to this line. Factors of 24 are, I have already discussed. Now factors of 30 are 1, 2, which one you have to add here? I will add it here only. What is the one? 3, comma, 3. 3 and 10. I added. Okay. Then, yes. Then, 1, the factors I have added 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15, 10, and 30. Okay. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Okay. So here you can see 1 is common. 1 is common. Is it not? Okay. So yes, 2 is also common. Now here, now it came. 3 is also common. Okay, I missed that 3 earlier. This 3 is common. 3 is common. And this 3 is also common. Okay, are you understanding? And this 3 is also common.
Yes, ma'am.
3 is there in all. Okay. And then for no, 6 you can see everywhere. In all the lines. 6, 6, 6. Okay. But what is HCF? HCF is highest common factor. Here you got common factors as 1, 2. Now we got new one, isn't it? Okay. 3 and 6. But HCF means not all these. HCF means the highest. H for highest. Which is the highest one? The highest one is 6.
6.
So we will take HCF as 6. Got it? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
We did such
Yes,
questions
ma'am.
earlier, but here we have added one more. Then what is the difference? When you find out common factors, you have to check all the lines and find out a common factor for all the lines, all the 3 lines. And as I told you in LCM, if you take 4 numbers, suppose question is like this: 24, 30, 18 and 48. What will you do? You will find factors of 48 also. Then we will find common factor for all the 4 numbers, and then we select the highest common factor from that list. Okay, got it? Clear? Can you
Yes, ma'am.
try some questions? These are some questions for you to try. 4, 6 and 8. Try yourself and see. 15, 20 and 30. You can try this also. Then 6, 8 and 12. Try, children. I know you will definitely get the answer. Are you able to do it? Are you confident?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
then it's very good. Okay. Now we are going to the last part of the lesson. Okay, can you see the book page?
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Yes, yes, yes. Is it very clear? My sound is clear?
Clear.
Okay.
Clear, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Can you identify what is this? Factor 3.
Factor 3.
Do you remember the video you have seen? Very interesting one. Okay. And after that, yesterday we did the worksheet also. There I told you, you don't have to make tree and all. But if you want, you can circle the numbers. Here the sample is with you. Okay. If you want, you can circle the numbers. Here the question is, in how many ways can you draw a factor tree? I can't also read it. Okay, factor tree. For maybe it is like this. For the number 18, let me check in the textbook. Okay. Now, can you make another tree like this? It is sorry. They have written a different sentence here. Okay. In the book it is, look at the factor tree. Now, can you make another tree like this? It is like that in book. Okay. Anyway, the question is this. This is a factor tree already made, ready-made factor tree. Here you have to make it the factor tree for 18 in a different way. Okay. This is the question. Okay, then let us understand this. You know it already. Still then, 18. Here they have taken 9. 2s are 18 and 2 is a prime number. So 9, we are finding other prime factors. 9 is equal to 3 into 3. Now 3 is also prime number. So prime factors of 18 are 3, 3 and 2. Okay, do you remember it yesterday's? Okay, now here the question is, in yesterday I told you of 48, we can make the factor tree in different ways, 2 different ways, 4 different ways, the same thing. Now question is, make the factor tree here in a different way. What will you do? We cannot take 9 2s are now. Try for some other line. Can you try? 18 you should get.
3 and
6.
6, ma'am.
Very
and
good,
3.
very good. 6 threes are 18. Okay, 6 threes. We are taking 6 and 3. Now, can you tell me which number should we write here? Because this has no branch now. Last branch it is. So 3 should be written
3.
here. 3 is the prime number. So 3 should be written here. And 6 will be written here. Because 6 is not a prime number, we can again split 6. Okay, then 6 can be, we will write 6 here, 3 here. 3 is a prime number, finished. Then 6 we can split again as 2 into 3. It is your choice. If you want, you can write 3 here and 2 here, otherwise 2 here and 3 here. There is no rule, you can write as you like. Okay, 2 here, 3 here. So 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Here already 3 is here. So how many threes are there? 3, 3 and 2. Here also see 3, 3 and 2. And yesterday in the video, this was also explained. When you multiply the prime factors, you will get this number. Check it please. 3 threes are 9. 9 twos are, we are getting 18. Okay. Here our is 2 threes are 6. 6 threes are 18. So in the book you can fill this. Okay children. Now we are moving further. Okay, try drawing the factor tree using other numbers also. Here a number selected is 24, but 3 boxes are given to you. So you can use you can make 3 different type of factor trees. Okay, I shall help you to begin, then you have to continue. Okay children, yes, you can note it down. 24, which line we will use here?
Yes, ma'am.
6 fours are 24. Is it correct? Suppose we use in a circle 6 here, 4 here. Then you can continue the tree. Okay, making branches. Then here we have to take another line. The starting should be different. It should not be 6 fours are. Which one we can select? 8 threes are 24. Okay, 8 threes are 24. Here we should select a third one, new one. 12 twos are 24. Okay, then you proceed. You will get different factor trees, but finally the factors will be the same in all the 3 boxes. Okay children, will you try?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now there are some tiling problems. Tiling, and you know we used to put tile on the floors. Okay, and this is some that type on the path also. Okay, pavements. Okay, this type of question it is. There is a garden in Anu's house. In the middle of the garden there is a path. They decided to tile the path using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet, and 5 feet. Feet is not a unit which is very familiar to you, but nowadays also the construction people use this. But you just consider it as 2, 3, and 5. Let it be any unit. Don't mind about the unit. Okay. Then what are the length of the length? 2 feet. Some tiles are of 3 feet and some tiles are of 5 feet. The mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, second row with 3 feet tiles, and third row with 5 feet tiles. The mason has not cut any of the tiles. Then what is the shortest length of the path? So this word shortest length itself gives you indication that you have to find out LCM of 2, 3, and 5. Okay, got it? In class 6, you have this lesson in detail. But here we have already learned that if it is 2, when you write that multiples of 2 and multiples of 3 and multiples of 5, the first common multiple comes is 2 into 3 into 5. What is that? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. That you can do the multiple. You can list the multiple, write and see. You will get 30 is the first common multiple. And I shall tell you another rule also to find the multiples of prime numbers. See here, this is a shortcut way. This 2 is a prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. So we are finding LCM of 3 prime numbers, 2, 3 and 5. To find the LCM of a prime number, we have to multiply them. There is a rule that LCM of prime numbers is their product. Okay. So what is the product of 2, 3 and 5? 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. Okay. This is a shortcut way. You will learn in detail in class 6. It is there in the syllabus. But here, if you write the multiple of 2, ask our listing method 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. Multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, like that. 5 stable, 5, 10, 15, 20, like that. You will see that 30 is the first common multiple. That is called LCM. So what is the shortest length of the path? Will be 30 feet. Okay. 30 feet. Since here it is feet, 30 feet. Okay. I hope you understood. The next is Manoj. This also not clear. Okay. Manoj, let me. Manoj has made a new house. He wants to lay tiles on the floor. The next page, the size of the room is 9 feet into 12 feet. In the market, there are 3 kinds of square tiles, 1 foot into 1 foot, 2 feet into 2 feet, and 3 feet into 3 feet. Which size of the tile should he buy for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? Okay. And you know, one is a 1 foot into 1 foot. Suppose along the size of the room is this. Suppose the length of the room is 9 feet. If he buys 1 foot, 1 foot, 1, using 9 tiles, he can cover the length. Using 12 tiles, he can cover the width. And similarly, if you consider this, suppose he is buying 2 feet into 2 feet. See, with six tiles, he can cover 12 feet. But what about this 9 feet? He will have to cut the tile. But he does not want to cut the tile. So this is it a proper suitable measurement? No. Okay, but let us take the third one, 3 feet. If we take the 3 feet tile, using 3 tiles, he can cover 9 feet. Using 4 tiles, he can cover the 12 feet. So this is also a suitable measurement. Which size of the tile should he buy for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? So in the middle one, he has to cut, so he should not buy it. So what are the tiles he can buy? 1 foot into 1 foot, 3 feet into 3 feet. Okay, children, got it? Then next is 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम थोड़ी
Yes.
सी आवाज कट रही है
Okay,
थोड़ी
okay,
थोड़ी सी आवाज
okay. This is the last question for you. I have explained 2 questions
okay
for you. This last question you can read and do yourself. Okay, children, try yourself. This is the end of the chapter. Okay, so we are going to close today's class here. So all of you can do Shanti Pradhan. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bye, children. We'll meet tomorrow.